Hi guys, welcome back. So today I thought we would get together and try to make some pumpkin bites. Pumpkin bites. Let me start the oven real quick. Hey, hold on. Bake them at 360. Okay. So I was just making little mini pies. And then I thought, for something different, I would try to make mini bites. And I did a little sample one. Let me show you. Right? And they came out really good. So I said, let me do the rest of them like these little mini bites. So I'm gonna make some more because I had a lot of filling left over from my my pies. So instead of making more pies, I said, well, let me do some bites. And because I tell you what, making these, so much easier. So much easier than those little mini pies. Okay. Do I have enough over here? So I'm cutting them like about an inch apart. Yeah, I'm running out of pans here. Between the pumpkin pie fillers and these. Trying not to squish it down so much that the filling pops out. Good luck with that, I can tell you. But, we do what we can. So yes, I don't know if this is a thing or not, but I just kind of made it up on my own, but they came out good, so why not, right? Little pumpkin bites. A lot of bacon I did today. So let's we'll be okay because it'll be the top. Like that. Is this the proper way to do it? I don't know. But, you know, I'm special. Special like that. Let's see. Okay. You know, I bet you if I put these in the fridge for a while or the freezer before I cut it, let that firm up, that maybe that would be better, but oh well. It does come out, but it's all like in that roll. It's in a, you can see. And this pan is done. So I am gonna throw this one in the oven. Can I get a few more? Better not risk it, right? Okay. So that one's going. And I need more pans, so I am transferring all of these pies to single serve dishes. Because a lot of them I'm going to be freezing because it's just me here, so I don't think I'll be eating all these. Okay. Up another pan. Okay. All right. So I don't know. Has anybody ever made pumpkin bites before like this? It's kind of like a, I don't know, like an arugula type rolling type thing, I think. Well, maybe not. Little mini pumpkin rolls or something. Anyway, when I tried it, it came out really good. So I think it works. All right, we are down to the last one. Let's go a long ways here. I had to think of a quick, easy way to use up all this extra filling that I had. I made too much when I was, well, it would have took me forever to do pies. Let me put it to you like that. So I decided to cheat and do this easy way. So are any of you retired? Do you find that you do a lot more stuff like this now that you're retired? I mean, it's nice. It's nice to have the time. For sure. And I have to say, since I've been here the last year, let me tell you something. Just 2 weeks ago, oh yeah, that was a little. Just 2 weeks ago, I, for the first time in my entire life, made scallops. And I can tell you, I was really shocked at how easy it was. And I was like, I can't believe I waited my whole life and thinking it was so hard, and it was just the easiest thing. So yeah, I love exploring on all these things that I never thought I could do, and I am doing. Scallops, and then there was something else I made that was, again, stuff I've never made before. Yeah, scallops. I wasn't doing videos. Well, I was. I should have did. I have to do another one. I'll do a video on it because, if I didn't know how to do it, maybe there's other people who don't know either. Wow, I'm really packing this one up, trying to get it all to fit. Yeah, it's your thing. Okay. And here we go. Okie dokie. That is good enough. So, let me show you what I got here going on. So this is what it looks like before it's cooked, right? I think it's great. And then I already got some in the oven, but I did have a few, like I said, from before that I can show you. And these are what they're like when they're done. See how on the side you can see the rolls? And yeah, really good, right? I'm happy with it. So anyway, that, my friends, let me check real quick the ones in the oven. See where we're at before I cut you guys loose. Oh, still got a ways to go on that one. Yeah, so that is my pumpkin bites, and I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you'll join me for the next time that I take on some God knows what next adventure next. So ciao.